Hi, it's Fias Taro. This is collective love reading. Okay, so syempre before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, please do follow me on my FB page. Okay, same name lang po ng ating channel. And kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, message lang po tayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, I guess this is timeless. Okay, timeless collective love reading. Okay? Kahit anong zodiac. By the way, meron pala akong i-greet, na birthday. Birthday, oo. Si Miss Carmina Balsita. Okay, so talagang name yung sinabi. Hi Miss Carmina, happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your day. Okay, so yeah, hope you enjoy your day. And more candles to blow. Ay, yes. Okay. So, yeah. Let's start. Collective. Okay. Collective love reading. Timeless. Okay. So, ano bang meron sa inyo? Okay. Intuition, heart song, telepathy, inner knowing. Okay. So, there you go. Ano tong intuition? Stress. Why stress? Okay. So, I think yung iba sa inyo merong strong connection. Okay? Strong soul bond, soul tie, mga ganyan. Okay? So, syempre, tingnan natin ano bang meron pagdating sa tarot. Okay. Intuition and stress. Hanip na combination yan. Oh, di ba? Okay. Ano bang meron ng situation? The Five of Chalices. Okay, the Eight of Wands in reverse. Oh, yes. I think some of you may arguments dito. Merong tension. Okay, merong something na kailangang pag-usapan pero hindi napapag-usapan. Yung iba rito, ang issue is communication. Yes. Okay. So, ano ba? Sino ba itong nasa isip mo? The Tower. So, may separation. Okay, kayo ng taong ito. Okay, the Tower, pwedeng Scorpio. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. Merong gustong ayusin dito. Hindi malabong nakakita ka ng mga angel number. Repetitive number. Okay, synchronicities. 555, 444, 111. Yan, 222, 333. Okay? So, some of you naririnig nyo yung song nyo, favorite song nyo. Oo. Okay? So, you're messaging like, you're communicating through music, some of you. Okay? Okay. So, ano bang emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo? The Six of Chalices. Yeah, I think they are like stressed. I don't know why. The Queen of Wands in reverse. Oh, I think sabihin nating meron silang personality na hindi okay. Emosyon, bitter, some of them. Yung iba sa inyo, ikaw yung umalis sa kanya. Yeah, the Temperance. Nagkaroon ng arguments dito, nagkaroon ng away dito. Pisikalan yung iba, ha? Okay, pisikalan yung iba. So, hindi ko ina-advise na mag-reach out ka sa taong to. Okay? Hindi pa nasa-settle yung dust. Okay? So, tingnan natin anong next action niya. The Judgment in reverse. So, ngayon, walang pagbabalik. Okay? Walang pagbabalik sa kanya. So, the Judgment in reverse and the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, sa ngayon, pwedeng busy to or sabihin natin focus niya is kaperahan sa ngayon. Okay? Some of you still committed siya pagdating sa'yo. Kahit may separation. Yes. Kasi gusto niyo pa rin ayusin eh. Okay? Nagre-regret ito, upset sila. Okay? Pero gustong ayusin. So, anong outcome nyo? Ay, tingnan natin kung anong emotion mo for them. Okay? Collectives, anong emotion mo for them? The King of Swords in reverse and the Knight of Swords. So, hindi ka rin nakikipag-usap. Oo, patindihan to. No? Okay? So, andito yung iba is parang nagmamanipulate lang na hindi kita kakausapin kasi ayoko, kasi hindi mo rin ako kinakausap. Parang ganon. Okay, may ganon. So, tingnan natin. Ano ba yung outcome nyo? Anong outcome nyo? The Ten of Swords in reverse, it's a repeat. Yeah, the Nine of Wands. Meron ditong awkward. Awkward pag nagkaroon ulit ng connection na the Seven of Swords. Andun yung parang ano eh, parang patwitams. Ang awkward. Oo, nandito yung Ten of Swords pero nandito si Nine of Wands. So parang nandyan yung repeat pero nandoon yung parang black pa rin, no? So parang nakakahiya, parang may ganun. Okay, hindi na siya like totally parang yung noon kayo, parang meron ng ang tawag sa ganun, hiyaan. Oo. Okay, so hindi pa kayo tapos nito. Yes, okay, merong masesettle down. Merong maayos. Okay, sa inyong dalawa. Okay, so tayo tumungo sa air sign. Sa all signs. Ba't ako windang? Oo. All signs are through Pisces. For the collectives. Okay. Aries, they want to talk. Taurus. Okay, so wala silang ginagawa. Trying na manipulate ka. Gemini, gusto ka pa rin niya pero hindi siya gagawa ng action towards you. Cancer, okay, they want to talk. Like, nakababa yung guard nila. Okay. Leo. Okay, so effort itong si Leo na maghintay sa'yo. Okay. Virgo, so si Virgo parang gusto ng another chance with you. May pagpupursue ako nakikita from them. Libra, okay, so just a waste of time. Scorpio, okay, so may pagka-toxic kang malalaman sa kanya. may lalabas na totoong ugali sa Scorpio na to. Yes. Sagittarius, okay. So, nandyan yung nagiging bitter sila dahil pwedeng isa sa inyo masaya, ha? Pwedeng ikaw, kung ikaw yung masaya, siya yung nagiging bitter. Capricorn, okay. So, they want to settle things out. Like, gusto nilang iayos lahat ng kadramahang meron kayo. Pero, andyan yung kabiteran niya. Okay, so, Aquarius, okay. Gusto ka pa rin niya. Yes, gusto niya makipag-ayos. Pisces. Okay, so si Pisces, hahayaan ka nito. Yes, hahayaan ka nito pero still committed siya sa iyo. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for the collectives. Okay, this is Timeless Love reading. Okay, so syempre, huwag kakalimutan na mag-share, like, and follow, and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye!